Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Nasir Uddin. I live in Bangladesh. I am professional pattern maker. So today we will be learn how to draft a cloth pattern. So keep watching, like, share, comment on your subscribe my channel. Click bell icon button for next video. Thanks for watching. Let's go starting cloth pattern drafting. First I make paper fold, drawing a line, pad in line, cloth pad measurement, length 9 inch, cloth pad width 2 inch, 2.5, 1, cloth pad length 9 inch, half, 4.5 inch, 4.5 inch, 1 inch overlap, half inch button overlap is button line, quarter inch seam margin, quarter inch seam margin, adding neck fold 2 times, cut 2, button line or velcro, you can use velcro or button, cloth pad pattern, outside, lower part and upper part, pattern cutting, drafting and cutting finish. Now middle part, cloth pad pattern middle part, drafting. Before I make outer side, now make inner part. Here I drawing same as before I make be outside. Quarter inch shorter than outer part, cloth pad pattern, our outer part quarter inch short, inner part cloth pad pattern, middle part, again 3/8 inch short from outer side cloth finish from finish. Two-inch cloth middle cloth pad pattern, middle part height, cloth pad pattern, middle part, cut 2 piece. Middle part, cut 2 piece. Cloth pad pattern, drafting and cutting finish. Outer part 2 piece, inner part and middle part 2 piece. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click for icon button for next video.